In this video, I'll show you how to enable futures trading on Robinhood and what you need to check first. Start by opening the app and logging into your account. From the home screen, tap the menu icon in the bottom right, then go to Settings. Next, tap on Investing and look through the available trading features. Here's the important part: Robinhood currently does not support futures trading, so you won't see an option to enable it inside the app. If you're trying to access futures, it simply isn't available right now. You can still trade stocks, ETFs, and options depending on your approval level, but futures are not included. If you're looking for similar exposure, you can search for ETFs that track indexes or commodities. Just tap the search icon, type the asset you're interested in, and explore available instruments. Always review the details before placing any trade. That's all you need to know. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.